Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on November the 20th, 2019. Alibaba plans the largest share sale in 9 years. Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba Group will raise up to $12.9 billion from its landmark Hong Kong listing. The company also plans to price its shares at a 2.8% decline to their New York close. This deal will be the largest share sale in the city for 9 years and a world record cross-border secondary share sale. In this way, Alibaba set to boost Hong Kong economy, which is struggling following more than 5 months of anti-government protests and a recent slide into its first recession in a decade. The retailer is due to officially price the deal later on Wednesday, but three sources said that the investors had been told 176 Hong Kong dollars was likely to be the end number. U.S. provides guard ships for Vietnam. The United States announced on Wednesday it will provide Vietnam with another Coast Guard cutter for its grounding fleet of ships. This move will help to boost Hanoi's ability to patrol the South China Sea amid tensions with China. U.S. Defense Secretary Mark Esper disclosed the decision during a speech in Vietnam. Esper is the most vocal opponent in Asia of China's territorial claims in the South China Sea. China's unilateral efforts to assert illegitimate maritime claims threaten other nations' access to vital natural resources, undermine the stability of regional energy markets, and increase the risk of conflict, Esper told students at the Diplomatic Academy of Vietnam. Emirates signs a deal to buy 30 Boeing aircrafts. Emirates signed a long-awaited order for 30 Boeing Co-787 Dreamliner aircraft worth $8.8 billion at list price. At the same time, they reduced the purchase of the U.S. manufacturer's larger 7XXX. According to an announcement on Wednesday at the Dubai Air Show, the 787 deal involves 10 jets fewer than the outline agreement date into 2017. Meanwhile, Emirates will take 126 7XXX aircrafts, marking a reduction of 24 planes from an accord signed in 2014. Global shares fall amid trade deal uncertainty. Global shares declined on Wednesday as Sino-US trade talks didn't show any progress, while concerns about a supply-glut left oil prices facing their biggest one-day loss in 7 weeks. Brent crude futures fell 10 cents to $60.81 a barrel, while U.S. crude futures dropped 2 cents to $55.19. After the API data showed larger than expected rise in crude inventories. In Asia, MSCI's broadest index decreased 0.7%, while Japan's Nikkei tumbled 0.8%, and Shanghai blue chips lost 0.5%. Meantime, Euro Stoxx 50 futures slumped 0.2%, and E-mini futures for the S&P 500 were 0.2% lower. At the same time, the Dow Jones Industrial Average ended down 0.36%, and the S&P 500 fell 0.06%, while the Nasdaq rose 0.24%.